something what I use. Uses knockoff silicone. Love to feel and touch. Nice perfume. Hey, morning people. Saturday. Anybody who loves bike wanted to keep the bikes clean, and especially I also wanted to do my owner's review because I've completed 7,000 kilometers and done most of the things. Wanted to share the feedbacks. There is a short ride which is being planned tomorrow, so I want to clean my bike. Yeah, he's called Choco. Choco, come here. Oi. So very busy when I'm around. So I'm just going to show a few things, a short video about how I maintain my bike, how I clean. So two things what I use apart from whatever you guys use in terms of the shampoo, oil, whatever it is. So after wash, this is something what I use. Most people may or may miss it. It's a very simple product where with this I blow off all the water. And after that, immediately I use this knockoff silicone shine. I'll just show you how it works. Very effective, and it's a very quick wash what I'm going to do. So come, let's wash. I use my Bosch. This is something what I've been using for the last 1.5-2 years. Choco, it's time you go to your place. Go, good boy, go. And I don't use a normal spray. This is a Bosch smaller version. So the pressure is controlled as much as not like the bigger one. This always happens, when you wanted to show something, things messes it up. My foam wash is not working now, so I have to do manually, old school type. But okay, still we love to feel and touch and clean. It solves the purpose. This is how I do it, this is how I do it. You can use this electric blower, which is available in Amazon, anywhere between 500 to 700, what you guys get. Put an extension cable, and the bike is ready. And I know there can be water in the electronic parts or whatever it is, so I use especially the water stays here where you can't access it anywhere, this particular bed area. So first I spray it on all the electronics area, and then the engine area, and then blow it off wherever it is possible, and then in next 5 minutes I'll just do the spray. Now you guys can see the bike is almost it's almost ready. Dry wherever it is required. It's dry, the electronic parts, the key area, the tank, everything is ready. Now what I'll do is I use this knockoff silicone shine. It falls like what I like. A nice perfume. Now you guys can spray in the engine area also. I just leave it for 5-10 minutes. And I have this glass spray. I spray it in this glass. And this is basically a all-purpose polish. Especially this is for my top box. And you guys can use this for the tire area also. So done. The bike is almost ready. I'll just wipe it with microfiber once or twice, and you guys can see I'll just use a microfiber after 5 minutes and then to wipe off. That's it. Maybe after that I'll just show you guys. This is just a first touch, and after 10 minutes completely dried off. It's almost dry, you know. I will do one more wipe. So maybe 30 minutes, the bike is ready for the next ride. Now you guys can comment me, how does it look now? It's not a deep cleaning though, it is just a basic wash.